concept of the health hazards in the woolen industry or in the wool industry. Basically, as you know, in this industry, a lot of human beings are involved into the various types of processes, and all these processes, starting from the fleece of the animal to the fabric of the wool that is used to make different types of clothes, I have already discussed in my earlier videos. But basically, in this video, I will discuss what are the health hazards when any person is doing the work in the woolen industry. So as you know, when we have taken the fleece from the animal, that was the process of shearing. But when shearing is done, the human beings or the persons involved in the sorting process. That means sorting refers to the process in which different types of fleece are separated based on their qualities or based on their colors. So when the different types of fleece are segregated or separated based on these two qualities, this process is known as sorting, and the person who is doing this process is known as the sorter. So whenever the sorter is doing his activity, it is the most risky job or it is the most risky work that is done in this industry. Because when the sorter is doing the separation, the hand of the sorter is used to segregate all these fabric, and sometimes the fleece of these animals may get some infection, and usually this infection is because of a bacteria which is known as anthrax. Basically, anthrax is the disease of cattle, basically sheep or goat, and from that anthrax the sorter can get the infection by touching that fleece. So whenever the sorter gets this infection, and it is a very deadly infection, it is generally referred to as a deadly blood infection. It directly reaches to the blood of that sorter and can harm it. It can also lead to even death. So it is the most risky operation in the woolen industry, most risky job. So that is why we take this disease is known as the sorter disease, because it is mainly the sorter who gets infected from the bacteria anthrax. Now you should also know one more term which is known as occupational hazard. This refers to sometimes the people who are involved in a particular type of industry or do a particular type of job, they may get infected from the kind of work they do. That means in an occupation, if a certain type of people are doing a certain job and they can get infected, from the job that they are doing, and such types of infection are known as occupational hazard. Similarly, sorter's disease is also a type of occupational hazard because it is infected to those persons who are doing the sorting process, which refers to the separation of fabric depending upon different types of qualities and different types of colors. This was the concept of the health hazard in the woolen industry, which basically refers to the sorter's disease.